What's going on, brothers and sisters? Shalom. This is the Watcher. I'm going this channel. I'm going by the Watcher. I have another channel called Missionary Area Israelites Time No Wait. Okay, and I'm doing this video. I just thought I'd do it because this is important for the ones who's in the truth, who's woken up and knowing what's going on and who they are. You know, the Negroes being the true Hebrew Israelites of the Bible. Okay, waking up to that and waking up to the ways of this world, which are wicked. Okay, and what you see here is an area. I'm outside of my apartment. Okay, this is almost like a little forest area. Okay, you see the trees. You see the bushes and everything, and that noise you hear is like a tractor. And from what I see, they're destroying the trees, taking down these trees and these branches and these bushes, man. All right, this is madness and wickedness, man. Okay. Because they're tearing down the homes of the animals, man. All right, this is the Most High's creation, and it's being torn down, man. Okay. Now I'm seeing they're not really tearing down the trees, actual trees. They getting rid of the bushes, all right? And as you can see, man, right now it's February. And in summer, somewhere around May or June, this place it would look beautiful. It would be filled with trees and leaves and flowers and everything. You'll be able to smell it, you know. It's a beautiful sight. I usually come out here during the times where the temperature is, you know, more high and it's nice, you know. And soon, from what I'm seeing, it's not gonna look like this anymore, man. All right, this is pure wickedness, man. Destroying what the Most High has created. This been going on for years, decades, and centuries. All right. I mean, this whole area, this whole land was probably once looked like this. All right, and this is what they do. They destroy the nature, okay, the nature of this earth, and they build buildings, man. And what happens is the buildings that they build, it pollutes the earth, man, the ozone layer. All right, and human beings as well. This is why you see deers in the middle of the road, man. All right, because their habitat is being destroyed. Okay, look at this. All right, you can see there's like a tractor, bulldozer. I wish I can get a close up, but I really don't know how to do that. But you can see like a tractor or a bulldozer or something, and destroying this area, man. Okay, this is all of Satan, man, and the ones who's doing his bidding. Okay, starting with the elites. All right, you so-called Jewish who are not the real Jews, and eventually the so-called white man. All right. Destroying the habitation of the animals, man. The animals and the plants and the trees and the bushes, they have a purpose on this planet too, man. Okay. That's why when human beings get sick, and they can't fully recover. They can't get the right cure for their sickness. You know what I'm saying? They can't be healed correctly because the true medicines is not the pharmaceutical medicines. The true medicines is the plants and the herbs and everything, man. Why you think that the animals, you know, like squirrels, they eat nuts, okay? The birds, man, the birds, they build their nest on these trees, okay? When they're impregnated and they build nests to lay their eggs in the nest. But eventually they're not gonna have a place now because it's being torn down, man. All right. I want to think of a scripture. You got John 10:10. The devil, the wicked, has come nothing to do but to kill and destroy, steal, kill, and to destroy. All right. Let's see. Job 9:24. The ones who's the wicked is in rule right now. The wicked is in rule of the earth. All right. And there's a scripture in Jeremiah. I can't really remember where it talks about the animals, man. Matter of fact, Salakia. You see. Matter of fact, I'll probably do another video and I'll have scriptures. But I just had to get this, had to film this view, man. This is, you know, this is saddening to the ones who truly into nature and who's woken up to the truth, man. All right. That's why you're gonna see animals, man, you know. The raccoons, I forgot about the raccoons, even though the raccoons, you know, they're supposed to be, what they call them, I forget, raccoons, but the raccoons, they have a purpose, man. You know, they be all through this area, you know. They go to the dumpster to get with the leftovers of what people throw away, you know. But that's scriptural. That's scriptural. The leftovers of food is supposed to be given until it's supposed to be thrown away for animals like raccoons. Okay. The leftovers of what you had is supposed to be given unto the poor, and it can also be given unto the animals. All right, what they like, you know, scavengers and stuff like that. Okay, ones who don't hunt, they eat after other beings. You know what I'm saying? With raccoons, possums. Let's see, birds. That's the law. Okay? Look at this, man. I mean, you hear it, man. It saddens me. So to an average person, man, it's just gonna be like whatever. But to someone who's in the truth and who knows, man, you know, the purity of this earth, man, and what it's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? It saddens you. But you know, getting the truth, we know the true outcome of America and the whole earth is going to be destroyed, period, you know. But at the same time, it's still sad, man, you know, for the animals, you know what I'm saying, the birds, the insects. This is their home, man, you know. All right. But like I said, I thought I'd film this and, you know, talk about it. This is my channel to watch. I have another channel called Messianic Area Israelites Time to Wake. I might do a lesson on this and get scriptures. All right. But with that, I just want to give all praise to the Most High. Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. Peace and blessings to you, Akim, you Aqua, you brothers and your sisters out there. that's woken up to know who the true Hebrew Israelites are, and he's seeking the Heavenly Father to his Son until the return of the Son, which is Yahweh Shai. All right. So with that, I'm gonna just say Shalom.